Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a really useful feature, Remember Me functionality. This allows users to stay logged in even after closing their browser. Let's learn how to implement this in React.js. We'll cover storing user data securely and ensuring a smooth user experience. First, let's discuss what Remember Me actually does. It's a checkbox or toggle option that users can select during login. This tells your application to store their login information, typically a token or user ID, for a longer period. This way, when they return to your website or app, they are automatically logged in. Now, let's move on to the implementation. We'll start by creating a simple login form in React. This form will have fields for username and password, plus our Remember Me checkbox. We'll use React's useStateHook to manage the form's state. When the user submits the form, we'll send a request to our backend for authentication. After successful authentication, the backend should return a token or user ID. The crucial part is handling the Remember Me checkbox. If checked, we'll store the token or user ID in local storage. Local storage is persistent storage in the browser. If not checked, we'll store the token in session storage. Session storage is cleared when the browser tab is closed. Using local storage ensures the user stays logged in across sessions. Next, let's think about security. Storing tokens directly in local storage isn't ideal. Ideally, you should use HTTP-only cookies which are accessible to the server but not to client-side JavaScript. However, if local storage is your only option, consider encrypting the token before storing it. Also, implement token expiration and refresh mechanisms for added security. On application load, we'll check if a token exists in local storage. If it does, we'll automatically authenticate the user. This can be done in the useEffect hook, which runs after the component mounts. Remember to handle cases where the token might be invalid or expired. You can redirect the user to the login page if the token is invalid. Also, consider adding a logout feature that clears the token from both local and session storage. This allows the user to explicitly log out and prevent automatic login on subsequent visits. Remember to always handle potential errors during the authentication process and provide informative feedback to the user. We also have to consider handling refresh tokens, which allows the application to renew the access token without requiring the user to log in again. That's it. You now know how to implement the Remember Me functionality in React.js. This feature enhances user experience by providing seamless access to your application. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more React tutorials. Your support helps me create more content. Consider sharing this video with your fellow developers and leaving a comment with your questions or suggestions for future topics.